ASF's paper consumption model was made for schools by schools. Trained on data collected from the academic setting, our paper consumption model helps schools predict their resource usage and determine appropriate paper expenditures, thereby guiding them in making eco-friendly and cost-effective decisions. Here's how the model works. First, users input factors like the departments of interest, the number of faculty members per specified department, the average weekly paper consumption per teacher, and finally, the month of interest. In return, the model outputs monthly and yearly paper consumption estimates, approximated printing and inking costs, comparisons of the user's consumption to that of an environmentally conscious schools, illuminating environmental impacts from the calculated paper usage, and, most importantly, a convenient budgeting plan with recommended purchase amounts, because we want to help schools actively reduce their paper consumption, not just display numbers about it. Finally, the model provides recommendations for schools to mindfully and actively integrate sustainable consumption practices. Here's how we built the model. First, we collected data on paper consumption by recording total printed pages categorized by month and department. Next step, data cleaning. The general pipeline for preparing numerical data is as follows. Turn your spreadsheet into a CSV file, write it into Python as a data frame through the pandas library, clean and process it through other tools, and now it's finally time to train our model. Google Colab was our platform of choice due to easy sharing purposes and accessibility to computational resources like GPUs. From paper usage patterns we noticed during data exploration, sinusoidal over the school year, and parabolic in the summer, we decided to use sinusoidal and quadratic regression to model the relationship between month and total printed pages. Once we derived these mathematical equations for each department, we plugged them into our user interface. Even in its prototyping phase, our paper consumption model has already received a lot of user insights. As a result, we're currently working towards providing the following. In order to do this, we will continue sharing our consumption model with even more schools, working together to create a sustainable future.